Hello there, family, friends, and beautiful customer. Joey Jones back on the road. But first and foremost, this video is a quick. I'm just gonna back up. So I'm gonna show you how to back up a 53-foot trailer. I'm gonna try to do it, as quick as I can. I don't have that much time, but let's do it. And we're gonna be parking a 53-foot trailer on an empty spot. So I can pick any one. I can pick any spot. So I'm gonna pick this one here. So then again, what I normally do is I like to come close to the trailers on my left, and then I like to look to see what's over there on the other side, because normally these customers' yards are short, short in trailers, and you don't have that much distance to play with, but here is okay because we have plenty of room to shoot out. Okay, so then, but steering wheel, I like to move it forward. The show, elbow rest pads, get them out of the way. And this is me, I like to stick out my window. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and count to 3. I like to count 3 trailers, 3 containers. See, I'm gonna go in there. So I just count 1, 2, and then my front bumper will make it almost to 3. See it? And then clock, 12 o'clock, right? 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 6 o'clock, right? I've done a couple videos, so then this one's gonna be another one. All right, so we're gonna go all the way to 3 o'clock, okay? Make sure nobody's coming, then you go for it. Go to 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Then to 12 o'clock. So pretty much it's like a 45 or 90 degree. And that's what you want to see. You want to see your trailer on the hole. So then this is what you want to see. See the tandems? The tires? Tandems on the tires? You want to line these tires up on this tire mark. You see this tire mark? That's perfect because that's your guide. Them tire marks is your guide. See that? That's perfect. I like that. If they have white lines painted all the way out, is even better. So then your tandems, you guide them in here. Those are your guides, okay? Them tire marks. That's where we're going. We're looking at this. We're not looking at the edge of the trailer. We're looking at the tires. All right? Let's do this. So then we're gonna turn right to close it, to get in there. Then we're gonna open slowly. Then we like to turn right. Then we open slowly. I like to play with it. I like to play with it. This one is tight, but we're gonna go ahead and reset a little bit. So we're gonna turn left to open the gap. Then we turn right to close the gap. Then we open it slowly. Take your time. There's no rush on this. Then we close it a little. Then we open it. The gap is what you see between, your trailer and the trailer next to it. See, that's the gap. All right? See it going? See? Then you do a pull up. Pull up. Look at your mirrors. Look at your mirrors. See? Now straighten out and straight back. Try not to overturn, because when you overturn, what it is that when you overturn and you keep it on that direction, the trailer is going to keep going on that direction. Try not to do that. All right. Pop the brake, put it in neutral, Turn off the truck. Try not to overturn. This right here is again. When you overturn and you leave it on that direction, your trailer's gonna keep following that direction. So that's why I like to open, close, open, close. Open is left, lefty, lefty. Close is righty. All right, my peoples. I put zip ties on these, man, cause put zip ties on these glad hands because these intermodal containers, these wear out and they don't even, you know, lock on right. So, landing gear down. You know, take your time, right? Take your time performing your maneuver. Okay, my people? Take your time. Get out and look as much as you can. If you see somebody out in the yard, just ask them, can you help me? You know, can you spot me? And then, there it is. Kingpin is released. That's it. All right, my peoples? That's all to it. That's all to it. All right, my peoples? So, focus. Focus. Keep an eye on your mirrors. And watch traffic. Watch, you know, all these other delivery guys, you know, all these other people that come in to drop off their loads too, you know. Keep an eye on them. And also keep in mind that the more you do it, the better you get good at it. All right? You're not gonna learn this in one day. It's gonna be a while before you get really good at it. Okay? So once you get good at it, man, I'm telling you, you're gonna be coming from any angle. You're gonna be like, where you want it? Where you want it at? Want spot 687? Oh, absolutely. You come from any angle. Trust me. You'll see what I'm talking about. I love y'all. God bless y'all. Catch you in my next video.